If you want to remove a payment method from your YouTube TV account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your billing information is updated. Step 1. Sign into YouTube TV. Go to the YouTube TV website or open the app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to navigate to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Billing Information. In the Settings menu, find and click on Billing or Payment Methods. This section will display your current payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Remove Payment Method. Locate the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option to remove or delete next to it. Click this option and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Verify changes. After removing the payment method, double-check the billing section to ensure the payment method has been successfully removed. You may want to add a new payment method if necessary. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment methods on YouTube TV. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to YouTube TV support for assistance.